Important terminology. First, AIDS, acute immunodeficiency syndrome caused by HIV. Anemia, a deficiency of red blood cell. Anorexia, a prolonged starving of the self. Antidote, a medicine that reverses the effects of a poison. Anxiety, an unpleasant worrying about the future. Bacteria, single-celled organism that can be either beneficial or harmful. Calorie, the amount of energy needed to increase the heat of 1 gram of water by a 1 degree Celsius. Change nurse, a change nurse looks after the immediate function of a specific unit. Cure, something that gets rid of a disease or disability. Diet, to restrict the foods that you eat for a period of time, usually to lose weight. Dehydration, not having enough water.